Welcome to our discussion on overcoming common challenges in AI adoption for small businesses, where we're
Yeah,
diving into practical hurdles and smart solutions.
absolutely. I'm excited to jump in. What's the first challenge we need to tackle here?
Well, it all kicks off with the steep, high implementation costs. Many small businesses see AI as this expensive investment, from acquiring hardware to hiring specialized personnel.
That's a huge barrier.
Exactly, and that's where Syntax AI comes in. They offer cost-effective cloud-based solutions that really lower that initial financial hurdle. They
Right?
avoid the need for big upfront investments,
That's quite clever because it means even smaller companies with limited budgets can get in on the AI action without breaking the bank.
right? And moving on, another pretty major challenge is the lack of technical expertise. A lot of small businesses simply don't have the in-house talent to implement and manage AI systems.
Yeah, that's something many companies struggle with when venturing into tech.
Absolutely. Syntax AI bridges that gap by providing comprehensive training and personalized support. They offer consulting services to guide businesses at every step, making the whole process accessible even for non tech experts.
It's almost like having your own technical support team right on standby. Pretty reassuring for a small business owner, eh?
Definitely. Now, let's talk about one of the biggies: data privacy and security concerns. When you're handling customer data, the stakes are really high.
True, data breaches can be catastrophic.
Exactly, and Syntax AI really prioritizes data security. They provide robust measures to ensure customer data stays safe and compliant with industry
Yeah,
standards. This gives businesses that much needed peace of mind.
that's a smart move. Knowing that you're backed by high level security can really encourage adoption among businesses that are wary of the risks.
For sure. And speaking of integration, many small businesses worry about fitting new AI systems into their existing workflows.
Right, integrating new tech with what you've already got can get pretty messy.
Precisely, and again, Syntax AI steps in with seamless integration solutions. Their platforms are designed to work harmoniously with current systems, minimizing disruption. So businesses don't have to overhaul everything to adopt AI.
That's pretty impressive. But don't you think sometimes that kind of seamlessness might mask underlying challenges in compatibility?
That's an interesting point. While Syntax AI promises smooth integration, there can be cases where legacy systems pose unique challenges. However, their hands on support during the integration phase tries to address those nuances. Still,
Yeah,
some businesses might need to plan for adjustments.
I appreciate that honesty. Now, what about measuring ROI? That seems to be another persistent challenge for many.
Oh, absolutely. Determining the return on investment for AI can be tricky, especially if you're not used to tech metrics. Without clear benchmarks, it's hard to justify the expenditure.
Without clear data, everyone gets shaky.
Syntax AI tackles this head on by providing detailed analytics and reporting tools. This allows businesses to track performance, measure results, and actually see the value of AI
Right?
investments in concrete numbers. It's all about making data driven decisions.
That sounds like a very transparent approach. I'd love to see some real life examples of how these measurements save money and drive growth, though.
Definitely. Picture a small retail business using these analytics to track customer engagement improvements after implementing AI-driven chatbots. It's like you start to see increased sales and smoother operations, and suddenly that ROI becomes crystal clear.
That makes a lot of sense. Key metrics become the backbone for all decision making processes.
And speaking of decision making, small businesses need to overcome all these hurdles to truly harness the transformative potential of AI. Whether it's streamlining operations, enhancing customer interactions, or simply driving growth, AI can be a real game changer.
Yeah, I can see that. And by using a platform like Syntax AI, companies essentially get a blueprint for overcoming these challenges, right?
Exactly. Syntax AI essentially packages the complex process into a manageable, scalable solution that's accessible even for businesses with limited resources and expertise.
That's pretty inspiring. But one thing I'd like to critique here is the assumption that every challenge can be fully mitigated by a single provider. There might be idiosyncratic industry specifics that require further tailoring.
Yeah, I get that. It's not a one-size-fits-all fix. While Syntax AI provides solid foundational support, businesses might still need to adapt and possibly invest additional time if their field has unique requirements. That's a fair challenge to the idea.
Exactly. It's about combining a robust solution with smart internal adjustments.
Well put. And I think that's the key takeaway. AI adoption is a journey where the right partner, like Syntax AI, can significantly ease the path, but internal readiness and adaptability also play huge roles.
So, wrapping up, one can say that while challenges like high costs, lack of expertise, data security, and integration issues exist, the smart use of tailored solutions, accompanied by transparent performance tracking, can make AI adoption a reality for even small businesses.
Absolutely. Overcoming these hurdles paves the way for streamlined operations, better customer experiences, and real business growth, making the promise of AI truly accessible.
Right? That's such a forward thinking perspective. I mean, think about it. Providing AI as a service with dedicated support not only democratizes technology, but also fuels innovation in the small business sector.
Exactly. It's like turning a high-tech challenge into a competitive advantage. You might say it's like equipping a small team with supercharged tools that level the playing field.
Yeah, it's fascinating to see how technology can be um, a great equalizer when implemented thoughtfully.
And that's the crux of it, focusing on customized solutions that tackle specific pain points, enabling small businesses to thrive in an increasingly digital world.
Couldn't agree more. Thanks for walking through these challenges and solutions so thoroughly. It's been an enlightening chat on the future of AI for small business growth.
Thank you. It's been awesome sharing these insights. Here's to a future where every small business has the tools to succeed with AI.